Do you know you can do a professional video editing without you being a professional video editor? Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, today I'll be taking you through video editing with Capcut. You will say why Capcut? Well, why Capcut? Because it has so many features, tools, and materials you can work with. Exploring Capcut, and I'll be showing you ways of making a professional video editing with Capcut. So let's begin. Want to go to Play Store to download Capcut. So once you go to Play Store, type Capcut. Okay, you can see it over here. So you have to just download it. I have it already on my system, so I don't need to download it. So let me go and open it right now. So this is my Capcut over here. So you need to create your Google space. This is mine over here, so I just open it. These are the works I've done so far. Okay, this is my project. As you can see, there are many options I can choose from here. You can see media, templates, elements, audio, text, caption, transcripts, effects, transition, filter. Then this is new brand kit, then plugins. Okay, from here now, if I want to upload a video, this is where I come to. So I can do other things. I can upload it from my phone. I can upload it from a record. That means I have to record myself. So there are different ways to record. This is video recording. This is screen recording. This is the entire screen, while this is the record tab. That's the particular side of your system. Then here is audio. You can record audio over here. Then this here is editing with preference, which you can do from uploading from computer or pasting link from clipboards. So right now, I want to upload a video. So I come over here, click on upload. There are so many options for me through Google Drive, Dropbox, share upload link, but I'm going for from my device. So I click on a video over here. I click on a video, I open, then allow it to load on my screen. So you can see it here, it's loading over here. So allow it to load. Once it's done loading, then you can add it to your video. Our video has already been uploaded, so just click on it. You can see now we've uploaded the video. See it here loading. You can see it. So you click on the video. Once it's done loading, allow it to load. You can see, and then start to edit it. So you just allow it to load. Once it's loaded, then automatically the video has been added. You understand? Okay, and if there is a mistake or a part of the video that you want to take out, all you have to do is just take your arrow to that particular position, split it, then you can take the portion you want to take out. Just click on it, then go to delete it. And plugins. A picture of your work, the beginning of your work, or what you want to use to represent your work. You understand? So they will give it. So these are the templates available. Then when we go to elements, we see those videos which you can use, like see signs here, stickers, element. We have AI characters, we have photos, and we have some videos like countdown videos and all. When you go to audio, you see some music, piano sounds, keyboard sound, flute sound, and the rest. Text, write-ups, you understand, like YouTube, subscribe, like, awesome, try this. Once you click on these images, you'll be able to edit them. When I say edit them, let me show you what I mean. Over here right now. Okay, this is it. You get, this is it. So you can come over here, and if you maybe like subscribe, you want click, let's just right click. So you want them to click instead of the subscribe that is written there. You right click over here, then you cancel, then allow it play out. So let's take this back. So you can see it have changed to click. And if you want to add a video under it, you can always import a video under it. You understand? So but I'm not working with this right now, so let's go to caption. Caption is just write-ups in front of your video. You get, like what you're trying to say in your video, the audio, they'll write it for you on the screen so that your viewers can actually see, or anybody you are trying to send the video to can understand what you are trying to say. There's auto caption, which is automatic. It just sets prone to mistake, although it's prone to mistakes, so you still have to go through your videos, make some correction. There's manual caption, you have to do it yourself. So if you get to a particular video, a particular side of the video, okay, you click on manual, see it here, default. So you drag this down to where you can actually see, drag it down to default. You can write anything you want to write. Let's write Capcut. So when it gets to this particular side of the video, it automatically writes Capcut. And here you can actually edit it. You want it to be purple, yellow, whatever color you want. Basic, what size you want it to. You want it to be 6, 7, 8. You set it over here. Boldness, you want it to be bold, you click here. Italic, whatever you want. So let's leave this. You want your text to speech, you want your write-up to turn to words. You understand? Then you click over here, AI characters. There are so many AI characters. Let's look at something. Animations. How do you want the write-up to appear on the screen? Okay, camera tracking. If there's an object you want for it to be following up, you understand? If you want, there's an object you want this arrow to be following, then you set your camera tracking, sorry. Okay, transcripts is just editing your video with your audio, you understand? So if you get to an audio, a particular write-up, and you don't want it there, you can, as you see it, delete it automatically. The side of the video also deletes, you understand? So you can set your language and which video track you want to transcript. Then we'll go to effect. There are so many things you can do in effect. There's so many effects you can use. Zoom left, black flash. So I just clicked on black flash. So let's see what black flash does here. Let's take this. So this is what black flash does. You get. So there are so many things. There are so many of them you can use over here. Then transition. Transition is just like the word transition. That means from one phase to another. So you get. All you have to do on transition, you come over, go to your video. I'm going to drag this down so that we can see the video properly. Okay. Transition, what it does, you know, there's a gap between this video and this video. You understand? So what transition does is it just helps you. Which one should we use now? Let's use blink. Okay, I've said blink there. Okay, so now let's play the video. So you will need to create your goal. So it just blinked now. So that's just the effect of transition. Just as filters for your cameras, so it is over here. So this is filter. You can use this. See what it does over there. You see it changes. So that's what filters does. So let me just click on this. Then I have to drag it to where I want it to stop. So I drag it over there. Now let's play it. Let's see the difference now. You can see it's brighter now. Yeah, more colorful. So you have filters, you have so many options: Berlin, Dodge, Humble, Ice Eye, Florida, Tunnel. Brand kit over here is actually new to the Capcut app. It's just something they just added to promote their brand. These are videos, these are images, text, and the rest. See stickers over here. So that's just how it is. That's just it for brand kits, just to promote. Plugins over here, just royalty from music for your video and all platforms. So just royalty to your videos. It has additional audios, additional sounds, different genre of music. You understand? So these are the collections. So it depends on which mode you are. See, lifestyle, viral, whatever mode, happy, epic, genre, pop, electronic, jazz. So you have different options to choose from here. Okay, we're done with the left side of Capcut. Now let's look at the right side. Over here, if you click an image or a video, you can see options here. Basic. Basic has to do with color adjustments, blending, transform, stabilizing. While background here looks at colors for your background. You can see it changed. That's what background literally does. So now let's go to smart tools. Some smart tools you can use like retouch, remove background. If you want to remove the background, you see auto reframe if you want to change the frame automatically. Then there's audio here. So your sound, you want to increase the sound, you come over here, increase it. You want it to fade in, that's the sound should enter what time, it should fade out at what time. Noise, if you have noise at your background, you want to reduce it. Okay, we're done with basic. Now let's go to voice changer. This just change your voice to whatever kind of voice you want. You have Squirrel, you have Santa, you have Bestie, you have Jesse, you have Strickstar. You have so many. Let me put this down so that you see the others. You have megaphone, distorted, high, low, deep. You want deep voice, robot voice. So many. Micro. This is actually my favorite because it gives me this outspoken, make my voice bold. You understand? So that's actually my favorite. That's the one I have used so far. But you can you can play around with the other ones, especially the squirrel or chipmunk. So it depends on you what kind of voice you want. You want a baby voice, robot voice. So now we go to animations. Animation just like it makes your video effect. It gives effect to your video. You want it to turn, you want it to rotate, you want it to slide. So that's what it does. Then speed. How long do you want the video to last? How long do you want the video to last? You can reduce it, you can increase it, you can reduce the speed, you can reduce the duration, how fast you want it to be, how long you want it to last. You can reduce it, you can increase it over here. So that's just it. Then pitch, smooth slow mo. If you want it to be on a slow mo. Also, if you click on export, you can also share it. You see it here, share for review, share for as presentation. You can be able to share on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and here you can come and download your video over here. So thank you very much for watching. Also discovered new features while putting you guys through. Remember to subscribe, share, and if you have questions, drop it at the comment section. Try to reply to it as fast as I can. We shall see in the next video.